Hi, I'm Rich Brown, Senior Editor for CNET.com. Today we're going to take a look at the HP TouchSmart PC IQ506. This is a newly designed TouchSmart system from HP. It's an update from one that came out last year. And if you're familiar with the older model, you can see this is a much prettier looking design. It has touchscreen functionality, so the idea is you're supposed to walk up to it and control it with your finger. So the main suite of applications that comes with this system is HP's TouchSmart interface. Here you get a bunch of custom apps like with the original. Here's your photos. It's not a bad application. We wish we could find a way to make it fill up the whole screen, but unfortunately it doesn't. There's the note function, and with this you just bring up a note on the screen, you can write on it with your finger. What this system does not have is multi-touch like the iPhone. Windows Vista is limited to only single finger input. Now this is the main application. It works pretty well. The functions are maybe a little bit limited, but it's not too bad. You go to the main Windows desktop, you can also use it to click icons, select, drag and drop. Comes with a mouse and keyboard, so of course you can use those standard inputs as well. The keyboard is actually pretty nice. It's nice and thin. Of course you get a webcam up here on top with mic inputs. There's also a neat little function here with the light that comes down from the bottom, lights up the keyboard if the room is dark. You also get a set of speakers down here along the front. So looking at the profile of the TouchSmart, you can see it's not really that thick. It's about your standard thickness for an all-in-one system. You can see a slot loading DVD drive here. There's also volume controls as well as a USB input and a smart card input. We do wish this system had independent controls for the display itself, where you can shut down the screen without shutting down the computer. Now the back of the system is pretty clean. You have one power input here, the adjustable foot, and if you take this cover off you can see the ports on the rear. You get USB, TV tuner input, as well as various audio and other inputs. There is an Ethernet cable input, and the system also has 802.11n wireless and Bluetooth built into it. As far as all-in-one PCs go, the iMac is much faster and is actually a better deal as long as you don't really care about the touch or the bigger screen. But no other system that we know of offers this touch capability. That combined with the interface that HP has designed to actually make this a fairly useful system if you want something in a kitchen where you can bring up your media, leave notes for your family, that kind of thing. It's also maybe a little expensive for that functionality. It costs about $1,500 for this higher end model. Still, it does its job and it does it fairly well. So I'm Rich Brown, and this is the HP TouchSmart PC IQ506.